This isn't just a get ready with me. This is about becoming the woman of God described in Proverbs 31. Not perfection, not polished or for approval, but clothed in strength, dignity, and quiet confidence. As I get ready today, I want to talk about what it really means to embody a Proverbs 31 woman from the inside out. For me, getting ready isn't about impressing anyone. It's a moment to slow down, to be intentional, and to align my heart before I step into the day. Proverbs 31 says, "She is clothed in strength and dignity." That's what always stood out to me, because strength doesn't have a look, but it does have presence. So often, Proverbs 31 is presented like a checklist, but I don't see it that way. I see it as an invitation, an invitation to live with wisdom, to care deeply, to move with intention, and to walk confidently in who God created you to be. Proverbs 31:25 says, "She is clothed in strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future." That kind of confidence doesn't come from appearance, it comes from trust. So as I step into today, I am choosing grace over perfection, wisdom over comparison, and faith over fear. If you're on your own journey of becoming the woman that God created you to be patient with yourself. God isn't rushing you. I would love to know in the comments if you have tried the Nina Park makeup look. Absolutely love her looks. They're amazing, and it's a lot of it is on my For You page, on my Instagram, on my TikTok, on YouTube Shorts. It's everywhere, and I just amazing. So yeah, I am going to be doing a in-depth video on the Nina Park makeup look, so keep a lookout for that one as well. So see you guys in the next one.